slow going Pioneer Trail in Lake Tahoe. These people with little cars, two-wheel drives, come up here to go skiing, not prepared. They think those little chains are going to get them somewhere, but they just beat up their car and slow everybody else down. So tomorrow, January 6th, see if the Supreme Court does what's right, or if they're controlled still by the deep state. Crypto time. It's time to accumulate. Just keep buying and stacking your crypto. Even if it's $20, $100, whatever you can afford, buy it now while it's so dirt cheap. Pretty much anything that you buy will at least get a 10x return. This is not financial advice, just letting you know it's time to go. I typically use crypto.com. I do use Coinbase for a few, but it's only the ones that that are not listed on crypto.com or somewhere else. Try not to use Coinbase too much. I myself think it's part of the cabal system, government oversight, watching everything that you do and buy. So if you do buy through there, you can always run it through Monero, throw them off your trail a little bit. The one coin that I am very high on that I can only buy on Coinbase is Propy, P-R-O-P-Y. It's going to be the future of real estate. Everything will be on the blockchain instead of deeds and stuff like that. And it has a pretty good tokenomics. The coins, they don't have a ton of coins, so I can see that price going very high. It could be, years down the road, but I think they're onto something good. And I think that will probably go up to, around $100, maybe even more in the future once it gets adopted by these real estate companies and mortgage companies and title companies. Or again, P-R-O-P-Y. It's real estate, buying and selling real estate using crypto or cash, but it's basically keeping all your stuff on the blockchain, so it can't disappear. DAP Radar is one of my faves. It was ranked like close to 3,000. I think it was 2888. 3 infinities on the 888. So not sure how adopted it's going to be, but I do see it being put out. They I'm not sure exactly what they do, but they're into the NFTs and stuff like that, and I see it being pushed a little bit. I bought it around probably a month ago, and it's been constantly growing while everything else has been stagnant. So I'm heavy on DAP Radar. I'd like to get to close to 1 million coins. I think it has a good possibility of hitting $1. So we're coming into Myers now off Pioneer Trail. This is Highway 50 intersection. I was hoping to get over this mountain before it got dark, but doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Snow plowing. Hopefully we don't get hit by no avalanches. It's been snowing like a bitch all day. This bomb cyclone that they called it, with atmospheric rivers coming. I don't know, weather manipulation or natural. This guy hitting his brakes, sliding. Slide him. Some more crypto. I did buy some Cardano when it was 25 cents. I see Cardano going to at least $3 again, if not much higher. But 25 cents, you know, you're getting a 10x if it hits $3. I also love Gala Games, Gala. It's dirt cheap right now. Its all-time high last year was around 80 cents, and you can get it right now for, I think, like a penny. Maybe it's 2 pennies, but that's a good return if it gets back to its all-time high. Gala's always pushing. And now we got to set here for this damn chain for these little tiny cars that come up to the mountains in a fucking snowstorm without 4-wheel drive. It just makes everybody else get stuck waiting. I think this is a cop right here, so I have to cool it. Maybe not. Holiday Market used to be Lyra's. So right behind Holiday, there's a golf course that they turn into a snow tubing park for winter. It's a little expensive. I think it's like $70, $75 for some snow tubing, and it's a nice hill, but kids will get tired really quick. Yeah, we must be stuck for avalanche control or something going on here. These cars trying to get through the checkpoint without chains. Who knows? We got chains right here for $29. $29 make you holla. Well, gas is starting to come down a little bit. I just got back from Texas where it was like $2.45, so about half the price. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna wait this out a little bit, and if it doesn't happen, I'm gonna turn back around and go back to Lake Tahoe, Casino, Bally's. I have a room there, but I was trying to get over the hill because I got a lot of work to do tomorrow in Sacramento area, Folsom, Cameron Park. But it's snowing like a bitch. I had to take about a foot of snow off of my windshield. There's a little bit of a snow mountain. Well, we got a little movement. What other crypto? I mean, shit. Anything that you buy right now, you're gonna get a good return on it, as long as it doesn't go broke, bankrupt, insolvent. Like FTX, Scam Bankman Fraud is his new name. But that was all government bullshit. Sending the money to Ukraine, who sends it to FTX, who returns it back to the government. Money laundering 101. Only the government's allowed to do it. We have movement. Snowplows, get the fuck out the way. It's time to roll on, roll on, roll on. Up since when did I come? Yesterday around 11. This was perfectly clear. So this is just over a 24-hour period. That's a cop right there. Have patrol trying to ruin somebody's day. Alright, I guess I better get off of here. Looks like he's gonna turn around. We got to go through an inspection right up here to make sure that you have your four-wheel drive in four-wheel drive. All right, peace out. Buy some crypto and hold on. 2023 is what I call the year of the fuck is this guy doing? Retards. There's only one way to go up here, so I don't know what the fuck he's doing. But what I was gonna say is 2023 is what I'm calling the year of accumulation. Just keep stacking your crypto and hang on. 2024, 2025 be back to all-time highs. All right, peace out from Myers, California, in the snowstorm, getting ready to go over the summit. It's going to be treacherous. 7,800 feet above sea level. Adios until next time.